Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So I have a little package to unbox today, and this one has come to me from the lovely people at diamondartgift.com. Yeah, they asked if I would like some products to show on my channel. So yes, of course. I have just recently done a little clock and a little phone stand from them, and a completion review video on those if you want to see those. The clock's fantastic. I love it. It's on my desk at the moment. So yeah. So I said yes, of course. I picked out a few products to have a look at. I thought you might like to see. So we have a special drill, because we are on smashing the specials at the moment. We have a little canvas, okay, and we have a Liz Quirky. You know me, I always like to get my little quirky things. Okay, so there are quite a few special offers at diamondartgift.com at the moment. If you pop over to the website, if you order 4 items, you'll only pay for 3. So that's a really good offer, and there's 70% off shipping. So go and check those offers out. As I always say, the offers are available at the moment as I've made this video. I just check before I come on and do my videos. So if you want to make sure what offers are on, just pop across there and double check before you order. But there's usually something really good on. Okay, so let's have a look at this one, and it's a banana. I do like my little extra bits, my little quirky bits, and I do like to go on and have a look at anything that's a bit different. And this one is like a lipstick, but it's a wax. So it's your diamond painting wax, your gel that you put into your pens, and it's in the shape of a banana. So that is a lot on there as well. Look at that. That is going to keep you going for a long, long time. And the price of this one was only $1.99. I'm not going to put a pen into this to take any of the wax off, because I will probably put this into one of my giveaway packages. So keep watching for possible giveaways in the future and little events and things that I do. But I just thought that was really a bit of fun. A nice little banana. It's something you can have probably in your handbag, just handy if you want to just sit and diamond paint on a train or something. And yeah, just take away with you on your holiday. Don't try using it as a lipstick though. It's not a lipstick. It's got a lipstick cover on it, but it is a wax for your diamond painting. Although that's quite a pretty colour, I have to say. Okay, and you've just got your little hole through there, look. You've just got a little hole punched through the top there. So if you are wanting to make it into a little key ring or hang it from your cart or anything that you use for your diamond painting, then you can do that as well. But I just thought that was just one of those real little handy novelties. It's nice as well if you say buying diamond painting things for a friend and you think, oh, the friend's got everything. Just something like this is just a bit of fun as a little present as well. Let's just give it a quick measure. I always like to measure. So it's 9 centimetres, which is 3.5 inches. So it's just a nice little size, a bit bigger than your little squares of wax, obviously, and a bit bigger than your little pots of wax. But there is a lot of wax on there. So yeah, there's quite a few different ones of these as well. So if you check out the website, you can see the different ones. But I thought that was quite a quirky little doodah. And it's alive as usual. Do I ever do a video without dropping something? I don't think so, was the cry. Okay, and then this one is just, I don't know whether it's a special drill or a partial. We'll have a look. We'll have a look at that one last, because that's a newbie. So I'm making you wait. I'm making myself wait as well, because I want to have a look at it. So this is a smaller one, which, as you know, I am from a card making background. I did start diamond painting through card making. So I do always keep on the lookout for smaller paintings that I can turn into cards as well. And I just thought this was very, very pretty. Oh, it's an all crystal one. Okay. So we have our standard toolkit, pen, boat and wax. Oh, we've got our extra wax banana, if we want to use that. And yeah, it's a partial shape. So none of the background is diamond painted. It is just literally the 3 beautiful butterflies on the front. Yeah, just give that a bit of a squidge down. It's got a lovely colourful background with your pinks and your blues all fading in and out of one another. There is only 6 different gems on it, 6 different colours, so it's a very pretty one. The price of this one was $3.88, which, to be honest, you can easily walk into a card store and buy a handmade card for well over that price. So yeah, they've definitely shot up in price of cards. Let me just have a look at the canvas size, see what size we are. So we're 7 3/4 inches, which is 19 centimetres, just under 19 centimetres by about 9.5 inches, which is 24-ish centimetres. So it's quite a nice size. I'm just thinking, I wonder what size card it would go on. It would certainly go on a half of an A4, and you could really decorate that up and make it into a spectacular card. Or even just pop it in a little frame as just a little picture for yourself or for a friend, because sometimes you only want a smaller picture as well. But yeah, certainly I think I'm going to be making this one into a card. I've got quite a few birthdays coming up in September, so quite possibly this one will become a card for one of those birthdays. So yeah, but we've got the lovely colours on these butterflies. So we start off with the blue, and I'm guessing that might be silver. And then we've got the yellow and the hot pink. And then we've got the hot pink up to the blue and a bit of silver again. So it's sort of following the butterflies, linking them all up that little bit as well. And then we just have the standard black drill, which is edging them all, which, oh, we've got 2 bags of. So yeah, you do sometimes just need one flat colour like the black, just to edge everything, just to give you a base, and then putting the blingy gems on top, the crystals on top, then just makes everything lift out that little bit more, and you get more colour, as it were. It lifts the colour, makes it pop more. So 2 bags of your 310 black, and then we have a yellowy gold colour. Oh, a very, very pretty aqua blue, and a silver, and a hot pink. Yay! And that is a very, very, I don't know if it'll catch it on the camera, pale, like a mauvey lilac-y colour, just a real hint of it. I'll have to be careful kitting down, because at first glance you'll think that that's silver, but it's got, as I say, very, very pale mauve colour to it. So yeah, so let's have a look where these colours go then. So we have number 6, yeah, the numbered 1 to 6. So number 6 is going to be on here. So whereas this is a very dark purple in the background, it's a very pale one on its own. I think you can see where the hot pink's going. Number 4 is the silver, which is all up here and here. Well, that's unusual. I wonder why they've done one of his antennae in silver and one in black. I suppose they've done this one in silver so that it stands out, because if it was black it would just look part of this butterfly. But I think I'm going to have to make that silver as well. I don't think I can have one in black and one in silver. It's going to look a bit odd. I suppose you can get animals and people with odd coloured eyes, so maybe. No, I think I would have to do that the same colour. And then he's also the pink, hot pink, and this beautiful lemony gold here. And then the butterfly at the bottom is the aqua and the silver. So very pretty colours. A nice, quick little project to do. I found that as I've been doing specials and showing specials, people have been saying, yeah, I've quite liking doing specials. Yeah, I mean, you know, I do full drill paintings as well, but sometimes it's nice just to do a smaller project that you know you're going to complete that night, and it just gives you that sense of achievement. Well, it does me anyway. So that's why I like my specials. And smashing the specials, which is Mindy and Brandy's event, I'll put the details down below in the description. Just gives me an excuse really to do some, and then I do some and I can buy some more because I've got some space. Okay, so that's that one. And then finally, this is one of the new items that's come out, and it's, yeah, just a little bit different for me. find the end to get into it. There it is. Oh no, it's on the front, look. Oh look, we're going to have to quickly show you the front. Oh no, it's not this, it is. And we have a sort of fairy, which is a sort of Tinkerbell, which, yeah, and she's all in black, and I'm hoping it's hot pink. I think it might be. And yeah, just more of a little bad fairy than a good fairy. I've not seen her in anything. I've not seen any of those cartoons or any of those films, so you'll have to let me know who she actually is and what she does. So she's an acrylic, and we've got the cover on the front, which is stopping the sticky from being exposed. And then we have a cover on the back. So once you take the cover off the front and the cover off the back, you're completely clear. So crystal clear, as it were. So there you are. Yeah, but look at her, different. She's got a tattoo and everything. Look, this one. And her stripy socks, a stripy long socks. So she's got a bit of an attitude, this one. I think this is the teenage girl phase that the little fairy's gone through. So we have pen, boat and wax. We have our little stand again. It has a cover on the top and the bottom, so that the clear acrylic doesn't get loads of fingerprints on and doesn't get lots of dust or anything on it as well. So once she's done, you'll just pop her into her little stand and she'll just stand up. So yeah, stops her flying away. You see, you're gonna lock her into a base. Yeah, those wings look pretty big for carrying her away. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. As I say, she is one of the newer ones that's come out. There's like quite a few different ones come out. I think they're like for the Halloween range for this year. You could use her for Halloween, or you could use her for any time, really. She's $8.99 on the website at the moment. The size of her is about 8 inches, about 20 centimetres-ish. So yeah, she's sort of fairly standard size to a lot of the little characters and a lot of the little ornaments that you can get. She's about 7 inches, which is about 17.5, 18 centimetres. So yeah, she's a nice little size. Again, a good little project to do. Oh, and look, she's all bagged up all ready for you, which is excellent. And we don't have a hot pink. Yes, you've got to have a hot pink. We couldn't have a Liz unboxing without a hot pink. So we start off with hot pink. Yay. Stripy black and hot pink socks. Could do with some of those myself. Got a little bit of red, so she's got a red flash in her hair there. Okay, a little bit of gold, which is her embellishments in her hair, her ribbons. Then we have a greyish, yeah, it's like a grey blue silver and a standard silver. I think you can just about see, yeah, the differences in those colours there. Again, I'll have to be careful when I'm putting those away to make sure I get the colour correct. Very pretty. And then your 310 black, and oh look, one's escaped. So yeah, she's definitely got an attitude because her drills are escaping. So she's going to be a lovely colour. Look at these. So that's going to be the wings, I think. Or is one? No. Oh, she's actually going to be silver. Oh, oh, don't know about that. Don't know about that. Might have to look for a different colour rather than her being silver. I think she'd be better off being white, really, because she's got a very white face. I'm not sure that actually having silver arms and legs will look quite right. I might try a few and see what it looks like. You know me, I always like to play about. I mean, you don't have to do that with your projects, but once you get a little bit more confident, you may find that you suddenly think, no, I don't really like that, and you'll maybe change things out a little bit. As I say, I'm not quite sure whether having such a white face, that then, yeah, I think maybe a 3865 just to give her like an off-white or even white. I don't think white would look right. I'm going to have a play with this one and see what it looks like, but I will let you see it once it is completed. I do always try and show you all the ones that I've done, so yeah, you can get to have a look at them as well. Okay, so yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just 6 different gems and colours, and it's all backed up. So if you wanted this for a present for a teenager or a little, for somebody new to diamond painting, or somebody that likes arts and crafts and hasn't tried diamond painting before, then this would be really good, because they don't even need a pair of scissors. You can just literally give them this. They've got the pen button wax for putting the gems on, and everything's all backed up ready, so it's just a case of applying them. Yeah, that'd be really, really good. But yeah, I do like her. I do think she's a sassy little minx. And I'm just going to put that little base in with those gems as well, so that just keeps that together. We've had a little bit of fun with our banana lipstick wax, so I don't think they're a really, really good idea. It's one way of keeping your wax all nice and clean and all together. And it's a little bit bigger to find on your desk as well. You know, I mean, I don't know about you, but I've found wax stuck to me. If you use the little pink bits of wax, sometimes I've put my arm on it and I end up with it stuck to the underside of my arm. I've had them stuck to the sole of my foot and all sorts. So yeah, if you stood on that, you'd know about it, wouldn't you? So a little bit easier to find. We've had our lovely pretty butterfly with those gorgeous colours and hot pink, and then our very sassy little fairy, which can put her out for Halloween, but I think she could go out for most times of the year as well. Okay, well, a huge thank you, Diamond Art Gift, for sending me these. Great bit of fun, and I've really enjoyed looking at them. If you've enjoyed looking at them too, a thumbs up is always very much appreciated. Don't forget to go and check Diamond Art Gift for their special offers that they've got on at the moment. And if you've got any comments or questions, in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to come back and see what we get up to next and see what I do with my fairy, see what colour I do actually make her, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.